Let me show you how to capture your very first bug report on Crosscheck. Now that you have signed up on Crosscheck, I am going to show you how to use it. First of all, you have to go to Chrome Web Store. You have to search Crosscheck. This is Crosscheck extension. Click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. Complete this setup. And now you can use Crosscheck extension. You can pin this so you can use it in a better way. Now let's say you were testing this checkout page. Alex tester. Let's check if this is working. I just noticed a bug. Now at this time you may be thinking I should have recorded, but don't worry about it. At Crosscheck is providing us an option to instant replay. By clicking on instant replay, now you can see it is showing us a video of previous 2 minutes. In this video you can see how the bug was created. You can create the check. It may take some time. Now as you can see, the check has been created. On the actions you can see how you can reproduce that bug. On network you can see all the APIs that were called. On console you can see all the logs. On comments you can add the comments as well. Here you can see your bug. By opening this, from here you can change the severity of the bug. If it is critical, mark it critical. You can associate with some feature you want. You can add tags if you want. So this is all you need to give to your developer or AI agent to debug and resolve this bug. After that, you can click on share button. You can copy link and you can send that link to your team. Then your team will handle it. Thank you.